This is the elevator at 512 Shady Avenue in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Case Fire Nice elevators, which there are stairs right there. This is a Dover Commercial Impulse elevator. Go to 3. Dover. This is a Victorian style mansion, but obviously the elevator is not original. It's obviously probably added on later. Here at 3. 2-speed door. Go back down to the lower level. No phone, no, just a red wire. Here's your certificate in Case Fire Nice elevators. Pretty basic cab, hospital sized. That fan is rather annoying. Here are Pulse Fixtures. This is probably from the 80s or 90s, probably when this place got converted into apartments. Here at the lower level, or just L and Unicare. Well, I think this L is burned out. That one works. There goes that set.